Welcome to Mind Machines, where we showcase state-of-the-art agricultural equipment. From autonomous harvesters to precision planters, experience the forefront of innovation shaping the fields. Dive into the exceptional technology redefining agriculture, where efficiency meets ingenuity. Are you prepared for the revolution? These cranberries are hand-picked or harvested using a picker resembling a lawnmower. Cranberries undergo two distinct harvesting methods: dry and wet. However, it's worth noting that dry harvesting constitutes only a minor portion of the overall harvest season. Agave is indigenous to regions such as Mexico and the southern United States, thriving in the ideal conditions fostered by hot temperatures. These plants particularly flourish in the volcanic soils of Mexico. These compact blueberry bushes, loaded with ripe and juicy fruits, will be efficiently harvested by machines boasting a capacity of 70 to 80 hectares per day. Subsequently, they will be transported to factories for thorough cleaning, sorting, and packaging. The black watermelon, also referred to as a black diamond watermelon, stands out as a distinctive variety with its nearly black rind and sweet, juicy flesh. Harvesting black watermelons is usually a manual process, with workers carefully handpicking the ripest and most flawless specimens from the fields. The fundamental process of making olive oil has endured for thousands of years. Harvest the olives at the optimal time, crush them into a paste, separate the solids from the liquid components, and further refine by separating the vegetable water from the oil. We can indeed incorporate avocados into our daily diet as they are rich in various vitamins, minerals, antioxidants beneficial for health, healthy fats, and dietary fiber. The harvest of curly kale is contingent upon its size and readiness for consumption. Generally, curly kale is gathered from late autumn to early spring, varying based on the planting and growth conditions. Onions thrive in California, the leading onion-producing state in the US, uniquely cultivating onions during both spring and summer. The cultivation, care, and harvesting of onions are contingent on their intended market purpose. Following their harvest from expansive fields, potatoes are transported to processing plants where they undergo thorough sorting and packaging procedures before reaching the hands of consumers. The origin of sea sponges can be traced back to the incredibly durable loofah gourd, which is tough on dirt but non-abrasive, ideal for cleansing your face, body, dishes, floors, or even your car. These sea sponges are perfect for various cleaning purposes. Craftsmen even utilize dried loofah slices in soap making, creating all-in-one, charming, and practical loofah soap bars. Welcome to the orange juice paradise in Florida, where expansive orange groves and cutting-edge processing plants reign supreme, contributing to almost one-third of the world's orange juice supply. In the realm of contemporary agriculture, state-of-the-art harvesting equipment and advanced processing plants are emerging within apple orchards. When the pumpkin skin transitions to a firm, dark yellow hue, it's a clear indicator that the pumpkin is ripe and ready for harvest. Pumpkin production is a labor-intensive undertaking, with around 35 to 45 workers on the farm diligently picking every fall. Bamboo shoots, a variety of vegetable harvested from bamboo plants, are commonly processed in China through blanching and soaking in cold water to eliminate bitterness. Peaches are collected and placed into bags, and once a bag is full, the harvested fruit is transferred to another container. Typically, each farm requires 20 to 40 harvest workers, and the harvest period varies based on the peach variety. Hello, fellow farming enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video will highlight the power and precision of exceptional machines that streamline the farming experience. Get ready for another exciting exploration into the core of agricultural technology. Let's dive in. The initial step involves sorting and cleaning the peppers to eliminate any undesirable debris. Following this, the peppers undergo a customized grinding and milling process, capable of producing a range of products, from coarse chili flakes to finely ground chili powder. Modern watermelon harvesters, integrating advanced technologies and techniques, not only alleviate labor requirements, but also deliver significant benefits to farmers and the agricultural sector. During the summer, lotus roots display a vibrant and succulent appearance, while in the winter, they take on a milky white color with a fluffy texture. Harvesting lotus roots in the fall is optimal as they offer a balanced combination of flavors and textures from both the summer and winter seasons. Oranges, hailing from Southeast Asia and belonging to the Rutaceae family, feature a thin skin with hues ranging from orange to green. They boast a sweet or sour taste and are commonly consumed fresh or juiced. Oranges serve as an astounding source of vitamin C. All harvested apples are carefully deposited into picking bags, later emptied into sizable bins. Subsequently, diligent farmers meticulously sift through the fruit, meticulously culling any apples that fail to meet the stringent quality standards. At the factory, blueberries undergo a meticulous processing to ensure the preservation of freshness and quality. They go through a comprehensive washing process to eliminate dirt and surface impurities. The foxnut plant thrives in aquatic environments, producing vibrant purple flowers. Its large, round leaves, reminiscent of bird feathers, often exceed 1 meter, 3 feet in length, with a leaf stalk attached to the center of the underside. Captivatingly, the blueberry packaging line boasts an automated process meticulously crafted to enhance the packaging of fresh blueberries into bags or boxes. This system ensures optimal preservation, keeping the product fresh for an extended period. Chili has been a staple spice in every American household, adding a kick to every dish and meal. Have you ever wondered about the intricate process of harvesting and transforming chilies into flavorful chili sauce or powder? Stay tuned to witness the journey. Loofah, also known as sponge gourd or ridge gourd, refers to two species within the gourd family. Loofah aegyptiaca. The sponge gourd variety is typically cultivated for its fibrous interior, with the fruit left on the vine until it transforms to a yellow or slightly brown hue. The outer skin is then peeled away, revealing a matrix of sturdy fibers that function akin to a natural sea sponge. The pomegranate, originally from the Mediterranean region, is now extensively cultivated worldwide, particularly in areas with warm and temperate climates. This highly nutritious fruit is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and folic acid. The orange orchard is brimming with ripe fruit awaiting harvest. Each harvester will be equipped with a bag tailored to the quantity of oranges they collect. Once the bag is full, they will empty the oranges into a spacious bin, ensuring an efficient and simultaneous process. Embark on a captivating exploration of the canned sweet corn kernel journey, tracing its origins from the lush fields of China. Follow the narrative from the harvesting of fresh corn to the sophisticated processing techniques employed in modern factories. The tuber takes approximately 12 to 14 weeks from seed sowing to harvest and depends on the cool weather for the tuber to develop. Upon harvesting, the avocados are still unripe and firm. Workers employ either clippers or a picking pole for the harvesting process. Subsequently, the harvested avocados are deposited into bins. After a meticulous washing process, these honeydew melons appear exceptionally fresh and bursting with juiciness. Post-harvest, the melons undergo precise sorting based on size and weight. Every year, approximately 4,000 laborers migrate to California to participate in broccoli cultivation on farms. After the broccoli is harvested and loaded into buckets, it undergoes transition to plastic trays before being sent to the factory. The fruits are harvested at full maturity, achieving the desired color and size. For certain varieties, this entails harvesting while the fruits are still green, while the others are best picked when they transition to a vibrant red or yellow hue. Upon arrival from the truck, the apples are transferred to the bin filler. Here, a meticulous manual sorting process ensues, where farmers skillfully extract any clusters of mud, weeds, or stones overlooked by the machines. Euryalepherax, commonly known as foxnut, macana, or gorgon plant, is a species of water lily found in South and East Asia. The edible seeds, referred to as foxnuts or macana, when dried, are consumed in various Asian cuisines. In grocery stores, cherries, these beloved fruits, are available in over 1,000 diverse varieties cultivated across the United States. The nostalgic act of handpicking cherries and placing them into plastic buckets. Witness how this automated system ensures immaculate pears, ensuring they are both clean and fresh for consumption, all made possible through the application of cutting-edge technology. Eggs are a staple in every household's fridge, and the demand for them is immense. To produce such large quantity of products, the packaging system must work tirelessly, showcasing a flexible and efficient speed. Instead of manually loading harvested potatoes or other root vegetables onto a container for transportation, this machine can provide full assistance in gathering the produce efficiently. Do you recognize what kind of fruit this is? Feel free to comment below and share with everyone. Mature olive fruit can undergo salt curing or dry curing to yield a salty, wrinkled product. Even damaged fruit can find purpose by being pressed into oil. The synergy of the harvesting process, along with these various curing methods, contributes to the diverse olive product offerings. Do you recognize what kind of fruit this is? Feel free to comment below and share with everyone. They have ripened and are ready for harvest. The entire fruit measures about 30 centimeters in length and weighs approximately 2 kilograms, unlike many other types of fruits. Transplanting rice is undoubtedly performed at the highest level. Cashew nut shell liquid, CNSL, is a versatile byproduct obtained from the cashew processing plant. Cashew shells comprise the outer layer of cashew nuts, forming part of the cashew nut fruit, along with cashew apples. Growing pineapples is relatively straightforward, but determining the perfect harvest moment poses a challenge. As the pineapple approaches maturity, the individual fruitlets flatten and the peel undergoes a transition from green to yellow. Before reaching the consumer's hands, they undergo meticulous processing procedures. Effective pest and disease management practices are crucial for pineapple plants, along with cultivating them in well-drained soil. The wheat sector in the state sustains more than 10,000 jobs, with Kansas consistently yielding an average of 334 million bushels of wheat annually. Let's observe a system of machines working closely together to package fresh and delicious goods. The blueberry harvesting machine, a yellow behemoth, is a meticulously designed device aimed at assisting farmers in the efficient and timely harvesting of blueberries. With substantial capacity and advanced automation features, it enhances productivity on the farm. Handle sweet potatoes delicately to avoid bruising. Removing the vines 2 to 3 days before harvesting helps enhance their firmness. This machine is like the Picasso of crop row making. It draws perfect lines in the field, and the plants are its masterpieces. Look! The asparagus trees are sorted, transported, and categorized quickly and flawlessly. Your irrigation system will always remain clear and tidy with this machine. To extend the shelf life of pineapples and preserve their quality, fresh pineapples arrive at the canning factory from the plantations. This machine gathers apples through gentle vibrations, preserving the trees from harm. This machine adeptly shreds and efficiently separates bales before mixing them with other nutrients. Look at how farmers today fertilize their grasslands. This machine is an example of the human ingenuity in optimizing efficiency and reducing labor expenses. Farmers can efficiently apply organic fertilizers, sidestepping the risks of direct exposure. Effortlessly and rapidly, this potent stump remover can uproot stumps of any size. Harvesting 10 tons of hemp is not a problem with this machine. Who needs a dozen farmers when you've got this superhuman beet harvesting machine? This is also one of the common ways that farmers renovate their irrigation systems for their fields. This machine is highly effective in protecting these beautiful flowers from harmful pests and diseases. Watching that colossal wheat harvester in action is like witnessing a grain-eating monster having a buffet. This machine can make grass rectangles perfectly. This vineyard grass tiller works its magic, creating the perfect canvas for thriving grapevines. This is ready to slice and dice the soil for whatever crop adventure comes its way. Take a look at how this robotic arm harvests tomatoes, so swiftly and precisely. Thanks to this machine, expanding the cultivation area has become easier than ever before. Supplementing nutrition for livestock has become easier than ever with this mixing machine. Imagine how long it would take if you were to dig up this tree to transplant it elsewhere. This land plower meticulously turns the earth into neat rows, ready for the planting season. This all-in-one grass cutter, mulcher, and bundler is like a green whisperer, making lawn maintenance a breeze. This potato harvester is a true spud savior, gathering the bounty of the field efficiently. Harvesting tulip bulbs with this machine is like collecting nature's treasures from the garden. This plowing machine effortlessly tills the soil, simplifying the farming process with ease. Next, let's delve into the aquaculture industry, and here's how to feed fish in the quickest and simplest manner. Sea pineapple is an edible tunicate predominantly consumed in South Korea, where it is known as myeonggae, and it is even more popular in Japan, referred to as hoya or maboya. After being caught, the shrimp are placed in bags and transported to processing plants or markets for daily consumption by consumers. Raising snakes demands careful attention to conditions like temperature and humidity. Therefore, the cage design must guarantee cool summers and warm winters, as snakes can be at risk of death when exposed to extreme heat or cold. Sea pineapple inhabits shallow waters, often attaching itself to rocks and artificial structures, exemplifying a phenomenon known as biofouling in the sea. It adapts well to cold water, capable of thriving at temperatures ranging from 2 to 24 degrees Celsius with an optimal temperature of around 12 degrees Celsius. Monosex tilapia, the most diversified cultured fish species globally, has reached new heights of production in recent times. It plays a crucial role in the fish farming industry due to the high demand and value associated with this species. The preparation of the soil for the next crop has become significantly easier and more efficient thanks to this machine. Using machines for cabbage harvesting saves a lot of time and minimizes worker fatigue. Watch how at ease this sheep is while getting its hair shaved. Rest assured, customers need not worry about the cleanliness of the apples they purchase. How easy it is when this machine harvests potatoes. Look at the way this machine is harvesting lavender flowers. I wish I could know how to buy this machine. Ever wondered about the source of grass on sports fields? Here's the answer. Onions are auto-harvested to maintain top quality before being sent to supermarkets. If these agri-tech wonders left you in awe, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and become a part of our Mind Machine community. Keep an eye out for more groundbreaking innovations in farming tech. Your support propels our agri-tech journey.